Student, today I am going to explain first chapter of the class 9 English book Behive. The name of the chapter, The Fun They Had, that is written by English writer Isaac Asimov, who was an American writer and professor also at the Boston University. As you know, Isaac Asimov was born on 2nd January 1920 and died on 6th April 1992 in New York in USA. As you know that in this chapter, writer describes about the school of the future. मतलब in, as you know, in 2157, what will be the condition of the school, how the student will get the knowledge in the future time, how they will be depend on the technological thing, how they will be depend on the slides, on the computer, on the e-text. There will not be anything like today's. As you see here, there is a diagram. With this diagram, we will understand the properties of the future school, how the student will get the knowledge in the future time. As you know, in the future time, there will not be any real teacher. In the future time, 2157, there will not be any real teacher. They will be totally depend on the robotic teacher. That teacher they will call to the mechanical teacher. Robotic teacher is the such type of teacher which is different from the real teacher. As you know, there will not be book. They will get the knowledge from the e-text, on the computer, on the slides. There will be different type of e-text. They will get the knowledge from that e-text. There will not be there will not be no uses of the books which is made by the papers, and where there will not be letters like this letter which is written on the real book. With this connection, I will come on the next properties of the future school, that is the virtual classroom. As you know, virtual classroom, that is such type of classroom which is engaged with the computer, slides and mobile and etc. मतलब there will not be any classroom like there will not be any building like that school which is in the present time. And with this connection, I will come on the next topic, that is the computer. They will not be get the knowledge through the teacher, through the book. They will get the knowledge through the computer. There will be in the classes of the student a computer. With this connection, I will discuss about the topic ki how many character in this chapter. There are three main character: Tommy, Margie and Mrs. Jones. As you know, Tommy is the 13-year-old boy and Margie is a 11-year-old girl. They belongs, both children belongs from the school of the future. And with this connection, I will come on the topic on the third character, that is the Mrs. Jones. She is the mother of the Tommy and Margie. Okay, she is the mother of the Tommy and Margie. As you know, one day when the Margie was writing a letter, on 17th May 2157, so the topic of the Margie's diary, was today Tommy found a real book that she was writing on her diary. So when the writer has seen the title of the Margie, because she was including in her diary ki in 2157, I was not aware about the school, about the books and about the teacher. At that time when the Tommy found the book, I became totally chuckled, I became totally amazed कि that book was made by the papers. There were the word and letters which was written through the pen, and that the pages of the books became, that was very old book, so the pages of the books became totally yellow and there were the crinkly, that was also crinkly. So they became totally surprised, they became totally amazed with this connection. When they became amazed, मतलब that school was not like the school of today's. They were totally unknown about that what is the school and what is the book. As you know, when they have seen the book, they become totally surprised and they have start discussing. So then Margie asked a question, because the Tommy was elder than the Margie, so he has more idea than the Margie. So he has start explaining that in the past time there was a school where the student get the knowledge, okay, where the student get the knowledge from the school. There were the special building, and in that building the teachers and student gathered in a classes. The student wishes to the teachers and teachers also replied to good morning and good afternoon to the student. With this connection they start their topic for teaching in the classes. They have also asked about the homework, matlab the teacher allotted the same homework to the children. With this connection they communicate to each other, okay. But in the present time everything is totally different. We have no real teacher. Then she became amazed, a real man, मतलब a man can be a teacher, how it can be possible? So the Tommy says that yes, our father is also very smart, he also can be a teacher. Then she became agree and start knowing, she became curiosity knowing about the past school. So the Tommy start telling the incident of the past school. When he has told all the incidences of the past school, but in the but at that time when she has not listened about the schools, when she was not know about the school, at that time she hated to the school, because there was a reason. She was getting to the knowledge through the computer and through the computer. When she was getting to the knowledge, at that time in the subject of the geography her performance was not good. At that time she was not getting to the good grades. Her mother was also very anxious, she was also very worried. At that time she has called to the county inspector. County inspector is a man, okay. County inspector is a man who maintain to the computer and robotic teacher. As you know, when the county inspector came, at that time the mother of the Margie called to the county inspector. When the county inspector came at the home of the Margie, at that time he has given to the apple to Margie, but the Margie was very worried. She was thinking that, she was praying to the God कि our computer will not be good. If our computer will not be good, so there will not be any needed for inserting to the homework in front of my mechanical teacher, okay, in front of my mechanical teacher. With this connection I want to say, but it was not happened according to the feelings, according to the thinking of the Margie. That was become totally opposite. At that time the county inspector, after maintaining, came there and says that the computer become well, and he has also told the reason, because the geography sector was not according to the level. She was a 11-year-old girl, but the geography sector was not according to the level of the Margie, that was high. So that was the reason Margie was not getting the good grades. And after few times the mother of the teacher, when the county inspector went from there, he has patted to the Margie, but Margie was not happy. Then the mother of the Margie was also came there, and she has says that to the Margie, Margie, go in your class and attend the classes of the through the mechanical teacher. But the Margie was only thinking about her computer and mechanical teacher, because she was not interested in the school. There was a reason, because once upon a time when the Tommy was working on with his robotic teacher, at that time his computer was become totally blank, because his history sector become totally blank. There was any problem